Hi, Anoop. My name's Tony. I'm with a company called Groove Web Services. We're located out of Bradenton. I reached out to your company a little earlier today. This is Monday. Spoke to Jamie, let her know that I wanted to shoot you guys over a quick video. I just wanted to give you some tips on how you can increase your online presence in a way that will actually generate you some business via your website. This will be about a 6 to 8 minute video, nothing too crazy. If you find any value in this, I do it for free. All I ask is if you do find some value is to just reply to the email, let me know what you thought of it. That would be awesome. It helps me make a better video for the next company I do one of these for. So with that, I want to go over some of Google's main ranking factors and compare your website to a couple of your competitors at the same time. So let's quickly go over here in Google and let's search this keyword Roofers Orlando. We're going to get some sponsored paid ads here called Google Guaranteed Ads. Good way to get some quick business if you need it. But I don't want to focus on paid ads. I want to focus on organic traffic. So below the paid ads, you've got your map pack. This is a truly important area for a service-based business to be in. About 70% of the searches for this keyword, somebody's going to call or click one of these top 3 websites. You really want to be here. Very few times do people click on view all and go down further. So one of the main ways to get your company ranking higher in this area is through something called a citation. A citation is just your company name, your address, your phone number, and your website out on directory sites across the web. I'm talking about sites like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Angie's List, Thumbtack, things like that. You can find lists of these just by Googling citation directories. If you add your company to a handful of them per week for some number of weeks, over time your company's Google My Business listing will start rising here. Just make sure that you are consistent in the way that you input your information. Consistency is key. So below that we have the organic results. This is more impacted by something called a backlink or backlinks. A backlink is just your company's website in a clickable format out on another website. Not all backlinks are created equal. You want to make sure you're getting backlinks from niche relevant, trusted sites. A good example of this might be a home improvement website, a roofing blog, or something to that effect. Something where you can provide them some content about roofing maybe that they can put on their blog or website. Oftentimes the webmasters will give you a link back to your site from their site for providing them content to keep their page active. So that's one example. So with that, let's go into ranking factor number 3, which is content. And I'm going to open up the top 2. So Home Advisor is not a contractor, nor is BBB, Yelp. So Roofing Advantage is the next one. So I'm going to compare your site to these 2 for content. So content is nothing more than the words and images on your homepage. We suggest having 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. Google loves well-written, authoritative content. It wants to provide the best experience possible to its users. So having that well-written content is going to be something you want to definitely have when it comes to ranking your website. The other thing that you get out of that is it allows you to get the keywords that your users search for onto your website so that you're actually served up when somebody searches for Roofers Orlando, for example. So you've got a pretty site here. This is really well done. It's formatted nicely, but you may have a couple hundred words. Let's compare that to Advantage Roofing. Here's an example of getting a keyword in on your content. Orlando Roofing Company. Couple of images. Coupon. And that's it. I think you're beating these guys on the content front. And then Janie, this is actually a back page for Orlando. I don't know if Janie has other cities that they have back pages for or what, but their back page is actually outranking some people's front page, homepage. They've got some reviews, a little content above that, and that's it. So again, you get 1,500 words, you're going to kick butt here. So we're going to grab this URL, put it in this product called Ahrefs. Ahrefs gives us an estimation of what Google knows about a website. I'm going to quickly take this away. You're going to see how many actual backlinks the Janie Roofing domain has. They have about 1,300 backlinks across 384 domains. Their overall website's being found for 1,800 keywords, and they're getting about 1.1 thousand or 1,100 clicks a month, it says, for that. But I want to go make sure we're just looking at the Orlando keywords right now. So I'm going to go back to that original URL. You're going to see Orlando Roofing. It gets searched about 200 times a month, and they're in position 2. This is saying they're getting 187 clicks. I think there's a bug in this program right now. This should be about 20% of this, so this should be about 40. And then Roofing Orlando, Roofing Repair Orlando, 150 searches, position 1, 50, which is right because that's about 33%. So if you aggregate all of this up, those various keywords, they're saying 494. I'm going to cut that in half. Let's say 250. Say they're getting 10% of that and closing that as new business. That's 25 new roofs or roof repairs a month. That's not bad for free traffic. If we check you guys out, throw you in this program, you've got 35 backlinks across 6 domains or websites, 6 total keywords for 1 click. And there is not a Got Karma Orlando. I'm not sure what that's all about. I mean, you guys have a decent amount of content on your website, but none of it is got keywords that are relevant to your area. So really, you need to have sort of an SEO audit, get those keywords on there, add some content, get some citations added, and then find some powerful niche relevant backlinks. Because it's a shame, this is a really well done site. It just was not done with SEO in mind. Like this title tag up here, for example, should say like Roofers Orlando somewhere in it. On your page here, you should have roofers. Yeah, see, the term roofers isn't even on your website. So you're missing out on a lot of potential organic traffic. So that's all I've got for you today. Hopefully this was useful. Again, if it was, I really welcome any feedback. This is obviously what I do for a living. So if this isn't something you guys want to take on yourselves, because I know you've got plenty of work to do, I'm here to help. So reach out if you're at all interested. With that, I will let you go. Thank you for watching if you have, and have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.